Let's look at glutamine. This is the double burden, very interesting one as well. Your intestinal parasites, which most of you should have seen on your CSAPs and stuff like that, so Blastocystis, hominis, Giardia, and Cryptosporidium, etc. They're going to go in and they're actually going to damage the intestinal line, literally go in there and rip it apart. This is going to lead to a demand for huge glutamine to repair that. As that glutamine comes there, the parasite's going, oh, yummy buffet, and it eats all that glutamine up for itself because it needs it for its own metabolism. This then leads to gut barrier integrity weakening. The immune cell functions can't work because they need glutamine as well. Your body mass, so the body's going to break down the muscle to get the glutamine for the immune system. And then you're going to have blood sugar regulation problems because glutamine is a gluconogenic and the depletion causes dysregulation. This is an important one because patients will often feel terrible even after the parasite is cleared. And I'm going to put cleared in inverted commas because some people's idea of cleared and our idea of cleared is a different thing. So that's important. And you need to realize that the amino acid debt was never repaid. So that is a problem with the glutamine. Let's have a look at the worms. These ones are super exciting. All of those that have been sharing our pictures in the community will know that we have worms. If you think you're a virginal worm person, guess what? I can almost guarantee that you do have them. So it will be exciting if any of you do join us on that journey of the parasite cleanse. Let's have a look at the direct intestinal absorption issues. So it's a luminal scavenger. What that means is the skin of the worm actually absorbs all of the amino acids. And they have the ability to absorb more efficiently than we do, the host. So they outcompete the host. So larger parasites, burdens can absorb significant quantities of your amino acids before the person actually absorbs what they need. So it's very interesting. Also, the size and the length of them also allows the longer and the bigger they are, the more area they have for actually absorbing more of our amino acids.